So hey everyone, hope you guys are fine. And now in this part, we are going to learn about camera 3D track. And with the help of that, we will create this effect. Okay, now to create this, let me take this video in another composition like this, and it's fine. And now over here, I will just crop it to around 10 seconds. And with the help of N, I will crop the timeline. And also I can just simply go over here, composition setting, and change the duration to around 10 seconds only. Okay, now here we have the footage now, and to create a camera trick, basically we are creating extracting the camera information from the footage as how the real camera had moved to shoot this footage. So to do so, what you have to do is you have to just go over here in the track, and over there select the footage, and over here you will see the track camera, or you can also search as 3D camera track in the effect panel. So both options will give the same result. So let me just drag and drop and wait for some seconds so it start the tracking. As you see over here, the tracking has started, and you have to wait a bit. So after that you will see. So now our camera tracking and solving has completely done, and you will after that you will find these points. Basically these points will show you the alignment of solids where you want to place them. So I will just simply select over here with the control here, this point, this point, this point, and this point. So now I had selected these point as you see the red target has totally aligned with the floor. And if I just simply create right click and add a thing called create solid and camera, then you will see that a green solid is over here created. And if I just simply play the video, it will see and start moving with the camera info. Actually what happened is that the footage had created our own camera, and the card is only just at the place because it has no animation. But you will see there is a camera over here, and it has the whole animation, the king thing. So let me show you. Just go in the to view, and over here you will find that there is a camera, and which has a track information like this. And over here you will see there's our solid. And now let's get back to the one view, and now just simply go over here and press Ctrl Shift and C, and this time you have to just click over here and click OK. Now just double click on the composition, and over here right click composition setting and change this to around 1920 by 1080 like this. I don't need this green solid now. And in the project panel, just I will use this city footage and drag it over here, and I will just simply press Ctrl Alt and F to fit the size of the footage with the size of the composition. And now again I will just get back over here, and over here you will see started like video is playing over there. But now I have to do a bit of the tweaks, like I have to place it over here, and I will just simply increase the size so that it covers the swimming pool area. And now you see that it's worked totally fine, and let me just show you. Now it's totally working fine as it's tracking, as it's moving with the footage movement. And now to make it look like this, as you see the whole city is under the water. To make it so, what I have to do is I have to create a copy, and over there I used some of the effects called color difference key, and with the help of that I had just differentiated this key area and with the help of curve, I had tweaked is alpha. Now let's see what I actually mean. So let me just go over there, select the footage and press Ctrl+D to make it duplicate and put it over the track comp. And now over here, just find a simple effect called in keying, we find the difference matte. Sorry, color difference. And now at this point, I will just go over here, select this like this. Now you're able to see, but the thing is that if you see over here, this alpha is not so good. If I just solo the layer, you will see the whole thing get transparent. Now I have to fix it. To fix so, I will use a simple effect called curve. So just go over here and type curve. Just simply drag over here, and over here you will find an option called alpha. And if you just simply like drag it like this, then you will able to see the transparency only at the blue position, as we had picked only blue color. To make it more clear, to see it more clear, just go over here and over here select the alpha. Now you will able to see what I am trying to say. It's perfect. Now just get back to the RGB mode. Just unhide this. Now you will see there's the city is under the swimming pool, and with the help of these simple effects, we had created this cool visual effect shot. Or you can say with the help of this thing, you can place anything over here in there. And also with the help of tracking, if I just go over here and select the layer, at this point I will just simply create a text. Then you will also add some of the text like this. I will give it a bit 3D look. Just align like this. Let me just scale it down and just put it over here. And I will just simply duplicate this text and do one more thing, is just simply do this. If you see, the text is looking a bit 3D, as the whole thing is like this. So you can also use a different type of text and things to place over here. Just for example, if I just select this layer and again I create a simple text at these point, as I want to place it like, select this, and at this point around, I just wanted to right click and create text. And in text, I will just simply drag it like this. I'll just delete the old one and track, and I will just simply put it like this. And if you play the video, you will find it totally working with the footage. So with the help of camera and track, we will create different type of visual effects footage, and it's also help to add some text motion graphics in the footage so that it's look very live and attractive. Hope you had learned about the 3D camera track. So thank you very much.